Good morning. Just waking up here at camp. When I first wake up, I like to start the vehicle just to make sure everything's all good. I'd hate to get all packed up, ready to go. And realize I have an issue. It's a little chilly. I think it's 35 right now. I checked the weather report. Over this way is Big Bear. That way and to the left a little bit. But the sun is coming up. The shadow is slowly leaving. And then it'll get really warm pretty quick, hopefully. But I'm gonna get packed up. I already started inside just a little bit. And I'm gonna get my truck packed up. And then I'm gonna make a cup of coffee, relax a little bit, clean up, make sure I don't have any dirt or anything anywhere. And then I'll get on the road. I'm trying to be on the road before the sun gets too high because I want to do some drone video. I mean, you can do drone video whenever. It just looks better when the sun is a little lower on the horizon rather than it gets too high. It just creates a lot of dark, hard shadows on the trees and bushes. And I don't like that personally. So I'm going to get up, get ready, and then I'll get back to you. Thanks. Forgot I had bought these for me and the guys, so now they're all for me. Oh, they're frozen together. Gotta throw our trash away. And it's nice for a little short walk at this far end of the, well, not far, it's a small campground, but the trees and the rocks remind me of, and I've never been there, like the continent of Africa, some of those desert areas. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you right now. It's beautiful. So, check this out. This whole area right here in front of me is a beautiful rock outcropping and has these beautiful tall trees that don't match the trees in the campground. I don't think. Oh yeah, I guess some of them do. But it's beautiful. Here, look at this. That looks just freaking amazing. Let me zoom in on it. That is just beautiful. There was a huge hawk that just flown over in that direction on a tree. He's right there, I see him, but I don't think you can see him. He's right there at the top, I think. No, on that side. Yeah, over here. Somewhere in here. Big hawk. I'll just be quiet so you can hear everything. It's beautiful out here. And it's getting hot already. I'm starting to sweat. All right, so I'm all packed up. Just gotta close out the couple last items on my truck. Close it up, start up, put the drone up, and get some video of me coming out of this area. I think you're gonna like it. It's a nice campground. But if I don't sign out later, thank you for joining me on another beautiful camping trip. I mean, just look at that. That's just so pretty. Beautiful birds flying around.